Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to Sabrina Budget. So today's video is going to be me cash stuffing $135. So some may remember when I had, which I think it was a while ago, and I'm now, because I found it in the back of this binder, and actually no, I found the grocery leftover money that I had from a few weeks ago. And then I had a return that I had bought something and I was just like, I'm not going to use it. Let me return it. I was like, look at me in my grown-up stage, because I would have just kept it, resold it, but I still had one more day to return, to make that return. So I was like, you know what? Why not do a savings challenge cash, I don't know why I keep saying cash stuffing. And a lot of my savings challenges will be coming from my side hustle. So this is not a side hustle, but this was money that was, you know, remaining from groceries and things like that. So I was like, why not, you know, cash stuff some of my savings challenges. So these are the ones that I am going to be cash stuffing, which there is one more on here. So I am going to be doing the save $2024 in 2024. I am going to be doing my Sabrina savings, and this is the one that I added 100 envelope savings, and this one is to save $2,000. So I'm going to be putting $20 anytime that I can. It's not going to go, like I'm not going to be on top of it, because as you guys probably saw in my last video, I want to get a car. So in order for me to get that, I have to save for it. Do I need a car in New York City? No, I don't. So, and then also I'm going to be stuffing my $2,000 Christmas savings challenge. So let's get to it. So I'm going to be counting this money: 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 10, 15, 20, nope, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So there go my 135. I do have my little cheat sheet in front of me. And by the way, I have this, I'm freezing. I don't know why. I'm cold, but I've been cold all day, and it's raining outside here in New York City. So Christmas is going to get $24. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. Now let me get my, so I have this pencil pouch that I got from, I think, Temu. So I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible, because I don't want it to be too long. So I'm gonna color this one, and I hope I'm being, because I'm trying to do green, red, instead of it being different colors. So how's everyone doing? It feels so good to do saving challenges, and I haven't asked you guys how y'all been. How's everything? How's 2024 have been treating you so far? I feel like 2024 it's been really good for a start, and we already in our second quarter of the year. So let's put that in here. So this is Christmas. And then the next one is gonna be the car. But for the car, I am putting it in my Ally or Ally. I don't know. Everybody says it different. I say Ally, and I don't know why I say Ally. I'm going to say Ali, my Ali account. And that one there is because I don't touch that money over there at all. So I'm going to do $40 for, I'm hoping this don't go through. I need a piece of paper so it won't go through. All right. I got it. All right. So we're going to do 20 here. And 20 here. I'm probably going to need a little bit more than $2,000 because I know you got to pay for like the plates, the registration, fees and taxes up front. So, oh, it didn't go through. All right. So I'll ask around to see more or less, like if you guys can help me in the description, I mean in the comments below, like how much more or less should I save in order to, you know, have a good down payment, plus have the taxes, fees, I think it's tags and a bunch of other stuff when you first get a car. So that's what I'm doing. This is for my car. And this goes into, like I said, that account. So the next one I'm doing is the 2024 challenge. And this one is getting, so this one here, it is for my student loans, you know. All right, so for student loans is going to get $21. So 21. So we are going to do 5, 9, and 7. I can't wait to finish this because I am not going to touch this no matter if I mean, if it's an emergency, of course I'm going to touch it. But if it's just for me to just, I don't know, just use it, no, I'm not using it. Because I want to finish this. So there go the 21. And let's put that in here, which that one is number 2. So and then my next one is going to be my savings. Did I do this one yet? No, I didn't do this one. I didn't do this one. And let's do, let me see which numbers. So this one is going to equal to, let me see what I got here. 10, that's 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so it has to come up to 50. It has to equal to 50. So I think I'm going to do 23 and 27. So let's do these two. This one here, I'm not gonna lie, I'm focusing on, I don't have a savings, guys. I mean, what's here is what I have, but I didn't have a savings, and that was my fault. I used the money that I had, I think last year or the year before, in my bank account to pay off debt again. But this time I'm not doing that. Everything is, I'm taking my time. Everything, I'm taking my time. And this one is the $50 here, which I don't know why I took it out from, oh, I didn't take it out the bank. Duh, I did a return. I'm crazy. All right, so this one here is going to go in the bank because obviously it's to my savings, and I have to have that switched over to Allies. I have to put it into there to transfer it over to Ally account. So this here is my 4 saving challenges that I am doing for 2024. I'm hoping that I will be able to achieve at least one of them, right? Because they are high amounts, but it's doable as long as I keep, you know, if I keep going, it'll get done. It will get done. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please put a money sign down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button on the way out. Until next time, guys, I see you in my next video.